how to select only 5G network in Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, tap on the SIM cards and mobile networks option. So as you tap on that, tap on particular SIM card, and here under the mobile network category, you can see the option of preferred network type. So tap on preferred network type. Here you can see there are three options. So there's no option of 5G. So maybe our phone is not updated to its latest version. So we're going to go and check back on about phone and check for any updates available for our device. Now while it's checking, it says no updates available. So it means we have the latest version of the softwares on our device. So this means that the particular 5G network is not available in our device. So we'll not be able to select that. So you can select only between these three options. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.